Hey guys, I never thought that this day will come. I'm sorry, but here we go. I'm leaving. When I was young, I used to believe if at first you don't succeed, try and try again. But now I believe that you should try again and then give up. Don't be a damn fool about it. I will also follow Immanuel Kant's advice. I can't take it anymore. The pain is just too much to bear. Too many toxic comments. Nurses don't like me. A biochemist once said to me, "Your videos are really helpful to fill my gaps." Dude, I'm not your DNA ligase. Have some respect for yourself. So I guess I'm wasting time here, so it's over. Why are you talking like something is stuck in your nostrils? Maybe it's an angiofibroma. So this is the last day of this channel, but I will leave my email with you if you want to send me anything. Also, I wanted to tell you that evidence-based medicine now suggests that fibrosis is reversible, and that the old textbooks that claimed that fibrosis was irreversible were mistaken. April Fools! I'm not going anywhere, you freaking doofuses, and fibrosis is still irreversible. I mean, if I quit, who's gonna help you get your heads out of your collective sphincter? I'm not gonna leave you to kill the patient. I'm not doing it. But when I posted about this on Instagram, my students actually believed me. Kindly don't remove your YouTube stuff. After all of these years, my students are still as naive as the B lymphocyte before it recognized the antigen. So when are you going to be sensitized? I love you guys. The next video will talk about neurulation. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit the bell, and click on the join button. You can support me here or here. Go to my website to download my premium courses. Thank you for watching. As always, be safe, stay happy, study hard. This is Medicosis Perfectionalis, where medicine makes perfect sense. Happy April Fools.